Good morning. An early video, crikey. I'm up early because I'm off to fetch a car. I found this car that I'm buying today on Facebook Marketplace, and it's incredibly rare. I think I've only seen one of these come up for sale in the past, and it was a non-runner. I've always wanted one. It's very cool. Yes, it's a Volvo, but it's a very cool Volvo, and it's on the Isle of Anglesey, which is basically 1,000 million miles from where I live. So I sent a friend of mine to go and check it out, and I'd not long posted up my video of the blue Volvo 850 TDI, and that had gone on YouTube, and my friend messaged me and said, the car you look at on Anglesey is rough, but it's not as rough as the one you just bought. It does have an MOT, and I should be able to drive it home. It will be a little bit of a project, and for those of you that were moaning that I didn't keep the blue one very long, it's because I had my eye on this. Right, made it as far as Chester, and now all the trains are stopped due to police incident in Flint, which I can't find anything about on the internet, so I'm not sure what's going on. So we're getting on a rail replacement bus, which is exciting. So this is my bus, and we're going to see where we end up next. But there's a lovely group of ladies getting on the bus, right? They're all pensioners, and I said to them, where are you lot going? You all seem very happy. And the lady joked, she's like, oh, we've been let out for the day. They're all going to the Christmas market, then I think Chester. So I'm gonna go get on the Llandudno bus, and I'm gonna sit at the back like a naughty boy. Maybe we can get people to sing some songs, something like that. A guy just sitting in a van, isn't there? Always just sitting in a van. Right, we are here now. That seemed to take forever. Right, finally arrived at the station. And bus driver waving at me, look. Right, get out of the way. There he is, look. Right, go find my lift, and my lift actually has a really nice car. Going over the bridge onto, is this the bridge onto Anglesey?
Yeah, this is the Menai Bridge, or Britannia Bridge.
Britannia
Going
Bridge.
over the Menai.
There you go. In a BMW 640 diesel that's really rather nice. Here we are then. We are on the island of Anglesey, which I've just been told is a lot bigger than I thought it was. One of the car's got one tyre that's a little bit flat, and Andy's just said to me, do you want a pump? But I thought he meant, you know, a 12-volt pump that you plug into your car. And it's got a bike pump out the back of his car.
Quicker.
Keep going, Andy. Keep going. What pressure are we on?
I have no idea. I can't see. I haven't got glasses on.
You might as well have a hand pump. You know, one of those little ones that you strap to a mountain bike.
This is
No,
good.
I shouldn't laugh because it's better than nothing. Right, this is the car, and I'm going to do a full story on this car over the next couple of days when we go through the paperwork. But all you need to know is it's a very rare V70 Cross Country, so it predates the XC70, it predates the XC90, and it predates the SUV movement. This is the car that sort of started it all. Passive four-wheel drive, so it does most of the time driving on the front wheels, and it will engage the rear-wheel drive if you need it to. It's got a whole load of extra features, which again I'll do on another video because I want to get really geeky. But it's got like luxury floor mats and everything. It's a non-sunroof model, which is a bit of a shame, but that's okay. We can cut a hole in the roof. Only joking. Full leather, heated seats, automatic 2.5, low-pressure turbo. Very, very cool car. It's got a great story, which I say will be on the next video, but the best part for me is the number plate says Geoff. So that is it. I'm going to drive it home and hopefully go see the mountains. We'll probably have a cup of tea at Andy's house first and see if we can fix the world, and then we'll get this bad boy home. Right, let's get the man paid. Check this out. I just bought my first four-wheel drive, and this is the weather that we've got going home. Can you believe it? That is amazing. My timing is impeccable. There's something going on with fueling or airflow or something. I've got a slight misfire when I accelerate. If I don't accelerate too hard, it's fine. I did accelerate quite hard earlier on, and now my lambda light has come on, which is to do with airflow basically. But we're cooking along quite nicely, and just gotta get home because this weather is not exactly ideal. Right, no more filming now. I'm just driving home. See you in the morning. Wow, it's very dark, and apparently the only interior light that works is that one, although these were working earlier on, so I don't know about that. Oh, right, there we go. I'm back. Seems to take forever, but the car drives lovely, apart from when I floored it, and then a lambda light came on, and if you floor it really hard, then it'll fart a little bit and misfire. But I've made it home. The computer's telling me it's done 29 miles to the gallon, and I really, really, really like this car more than the Saab Aero manual, actually. Cool, more on this car tomorrow. It's going to go for a proper clean. I need a cup of tea and my bed, actually. That was quite a long day. Quite a long day indeed. Thank you very much for watching. More on this car tomorrow. I don't think that rear wheel drive's doing anything.